Hi, I'm Steve Hoberman. I am the conference organizer for Data Modeling Zone. We've actually been organizing Data Modeling Zone since 2012. And this is our second year, 2025, where we're going to be back at American Express in Phoenix. We're so excited to be coming back to the same place. The conference venue was amazing last year, and we're looking forward to coming back using the same amazing space. I could talk about Data Modeling Zone probably for a couple hours, but just to summarize it in just a minute or two, it is a conference where we bring together data modelers from all over the world. And the goal is for you to sharpen your data modeling skills and network with other data modelers. Share your experiences and projects where things went well or where things didn't go so well, and kind of learn from each other. There are four tracks in the main part of the contract in the conference. We have a skills track where we're going to cover fundamental through advanced modeling skills. We have a technology track where we're going to cover the latest technology and how it impacts data modeling, including areas like NoSQL and AI and machine learning. We have a track for case studies. We have some amazing case studies this year. I spend the better part of a year looking for the most incredible session topics and looking for the most incredible speakers. And so that's what we're going to have in 2025. We have our fourth track is on semantics. So we're going to cover anything to do with graph and taxonomies and ontologies. And I could go through each of the close to 50 sessions we have at Data Modeling Zone, but instead I'm just going to touch on a few of our workshops. The pre-conference workshop day is Tuesday, March 4th, and the main conference is on March 5th and 6th. For the pre-conference workshops on March 4th, I'm going to be teaching a 3-hour data modeling fundamentals session, followed by Steve Sewell from State Farm, who is going to be teaching a intermediate advanced session where he is going to actually introduce a data modeling case study. And then we're going to have a number of different data modeling tools that you can actually solve the case study with. There'll be groups of people, vendors, who will work with you to build the modeling deliverables in each of these tools. So it's going to be really, really cool. Our communication track, we have Laura Matson, who's written 2 amazing books, one on data governance and one on AI. And she's going to be talking about a change management framework. It's amazing. When I read her AI book, I was so impressed with this framework. I'm like, can you please talk about it at Data Modeling Zone? So she's going to be discussing that as a pre-conference workshop. And then in the afternoon, after a workshop, we have a whole storytelling session. We're bringing in some of the brightest professors from a local university, ASU, who run a storytelling workshop. And they're going to do that to help us, because in data, it's so important to know how to tell stories. And that's what they're going to teach us to tell. Marilu Lopez, last year, she presented on a CDMP workshop. And then afterwards, she facilitated the CDMP exams. She's going to be doing the same thing this year on March 4th. And then for our semantics workshops, we have Eugene Asarara, who wrote the amazing book Enterprise Intelligence, and he's going to talk about the topics in that book, followed by Sumit Powell, who did an amazing session last year on graph databases. This year, he's going to be doing a 3-hour workshop on knowledge graph and RDF fundamentals. So I could keep going through each of the sessions, but instead, check out our website, learn more about the conference. Hope to see you there at DMZ. Thank you.